Almost everything in Antarctica eats these small shrimp-like organisms called krill, or preys on animals that do, including penguins. Penguins are important health indicators for Antarctica's ecosystem. So by monitoring penguins, we can monitor the health of a larger underwater ecosystem. We created a NASA-funded web tool called the Mapping Application for Penguin Populations and Projected Dynamics, or MAPPed, which lets anyone see where Antarctica's penguin colonies are, how they're changing, and future population predictions. MAPPed uses remote sensing data, including Landsat 7 images and MODIS sea ice data. In the past, ecologists have relied on field counts. NASA's satellite imagery spans the entire continent and started decades ago, which gives us more consistent data and allows us to see how these populations have changed over time.
Oceanites is a nonprofit science and education organization that for 3 decades has been monitoring penguin population changes in the vastly warmed Antarctic Peninsula. Importantly for Oceanites, the MAP database enables us to produce our State of Antarctic Penguins reports, which guide and assist decision makers within the treaty system as to appropriate conservation measures to take to conserve the very fragile Antarctic ecosystem.
MAPPed puts all the data into one unified place, which has been helpful in developing protective policies. Instead of having to gather multiple data points across scattered resources, we now have a comprehensive resource for making well-informed decisions.
Many people wonder how we track penguin populations from space. Satellites can't see individual penguins, but they can detect the pinkish guano or excrement stains of entire penguin colonies. This technology has revolutionized our ability to explore Antarctica. We've been able to uncover previously unknown penguin populations that are among the largest in Antarctica, and even get information about penguins changing diets based on the guano color.
The Antarctic and Southern Ocean Coalition bases policy recommendations for Antarctic conservation on the best scientific information available. NASA's data has been instrumental in this. Previously, monitoring penguin populations was challenging, but with MAPPed, we have a precise and publicly available tool that provides continent-wide insights.
MAPPed is a hub for everyone. Anyone can have access to the best available information on Antarctic penguins. Using it to track the health of penguin populations, the Antarctic community can develop strategies like protected zones and no fishing areas, which are vital for minimizing human impact on wildlife in Antarctica.
The data in MAPPed enable us to understand how penguins are adapting to the vastly warming Antarctic Peninsula and other changes throughout the continent. There's always been a very close relationship between MAP contributing scientists and users, which allows us to continue to collaborate and maintain this amazing database to ensure that Antarctica is conserved for all future generations.